Next naman, si Riolu. Yan. Ito yung Prologue of Adventure ni Blockies na CVS. Ito yung packaging, yung top, side, back, bottom. Build na natin si Riolu. Let's go. Ang cute nila. Ang easy lang rin i-build. Ayan o. Yung instruction, how you build Riolu, the base, sticker, yung card. So, si Riolu. Let's go. Here's his tail, head, hair, the arms, here's Riolu. Ayan o, cute. Articulated yung tail, yung legs, feet, yung hair, arms. Here's Riolu kasama ng effect parts. And, yan, look at that. Ang cute, no? Ganda. Solid, no? That's all. Peace. Thumbs up. Follow for more.